Hey, it's middle of the summer, temperatures are off the charts, everything is melting outside, but that doesn't mean that you can't have a nice, refreshing, tasty, delicious cocktail. And I'm here to show you how to make it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Simple Drinks. My name is Johnny and today we are making a cocktail called Very Nice. It's a cocktail that was adapted from a drink that was created back in 2001 in UK in the living room chain of bars. It's really easy to make, not too complicated, so without further ado, let's make a Very Nice. We're going to start with blackberries. We'll need 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just drop them in. Add some lemon juice. 15 ml, half an ounce. Now we're going to muddle it. Get that nice, beautiful blackberry taste and juice. Now we need 60 ml of vodka, 2 ounces. Followed by 7.5 ml of Blackberry Liqueur. I'm using Mary Brizard. Now we need ice. And give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now we need a tall glass. Fill it with ice. And double strain the cocktail over fresh ice. Top it up with ginger beer. Give a quick stir. Garnish with some blackberries. And that's it, ladies and gents. Very nice. Cheers! It's good. It's amazing. It's so tasty, so refreshing. Ginger is dominant, maybe more than it should be, but it's actually really nice. It's not too sweet, not too tart or sour or anything like that. It's actually quite refreshing. This is a perfect summer drink for a hot summer day. I absolutely recommend it. Try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. This is so damn good. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a very nice, really easy to make, delicious, refreshing summer drink. Ginger beer, blackberry liqueur, fresh blackberries, vodka, lemon juice. Amazing and tasty drink. So if you haven't tried it before, try it, of course, like I always recommend. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe, it means a lot. Thanks for watching and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.